I still feel like I'm always running out of it. School, relationships, social media, it all just takes over. And the most important thing, my faith gets pushed aside. I keep saying, I'll pray later or I'll read my Bible tomorrow, but somehow, tomorrow never comes. How can I have so much time in a single day, but still don't have enough time for God? Maybe it's because doing the easy stuff is, well, easy, but doing the hard things, that's where I struggle.
Okay, class, I hope you do well in this test with kahit narabagit ang nabagsak anong subject. Sige, you may start answering now.
Uy, tanaw! Ipray na po siya. Napas ang mga school sa ibin ba?
Lagi dyan, gabo, nagtigman ang balikan, di ba? Sige, mag-pray ka dati, ha? Wala mga pastor.
I don't pay much attention to James and Jay. Sometimes, I think silence is my greatest weapon. Being silent is way more comfortable for me than speaking up. Or at least, that's what I thought. However, while answering the test, I wasn't able to focus that much due to specific reasons. Well, specific people rather.
Jun, Jim, this is number 4. Ano sa mga bibili? Hindi naman gawin. Ano, natali mo? Puso.
James is a constant struggle during tests. I know cheating is bad, but I also don't want him to think that I'm selfish.
Very cute ka dyan ay, mo siguro wala kay friend. I thought na if Christian ka, always should dapat ka mag-help sa others.
Okay, ayun na naging mabasa na niya. Hindi na siya madaling inana. Mayroon na naging bayat ng mga utan.
Congratulations, Jay and Christy, our top scorers for this test. Nag-study, yun mo ano ba? Oh, narayin yung mga papers. Pwede nag-yun na ninyo ipa-frame. Oh, John, what happened this time? I'm quite disappointed with how your scores turned out to be this past few weeks. I expected a lot more from you.
Awa dyan na lang po ang po, kumagid ka, kasi nanarap na yung may kapot. Ito, managpya na lang sa amo. Pasatok ka gabi.
Sige lang, guys. Kung gaano yung chinira kayo, dos sa mga siguro. Hindi ko pag-ako na ito madala sa langit. Di ba dyan?
See, sometimes I feel like I'm being pulled in so many different directions away from God. I struggle to live out my faith, especially when a situation tempts me to falter. God, why are you being so unfair? They don't know you, but I do.
Pero guys, ang lahat na ba? Yung ba sige, party lagi daw. Kasi nilang bago malugan. Yan nasa dyan. Diyan na siya mga banog mga anak. Ayaw na yung baita. Buling mga yung tao.
Bakit kaya? Bakit sobrang napakadaya? Yung tipong ginagawa mo naman ang tama, parang ikaw pa yung nagiging masama. Puro pangungutya ang lumalaganap. Kahit naman, ikaw ay nagsusumikap. Nagsusumikap na maging mabuting ehemplo. Dahil nga si Kristo nasa buhay mo. Na ang tanging hangad mo lang naman ay bigyan siya ng papuri. Dahil siya ang ating Diyos na naghahari. Di na may madali lang sa iba na gumawa ng hindi maganda. Minsan nga, napapaisip ako, mas mabuti pa yung ibang tao. Nagagawa nila ang kanilang gusto. Mga taong walang paniniwala sa Diyos. Ngunit binayad nila yung lubos-lubos. Kaya sa aking pagkadismaya, pananampalataya ko'y unti-unti nawawala.
I'm tired of always having to study so hard just to pass the test when they don't have to because they could just cheat. I'm tired of always doing the right thing just to please God. Why can't I do things my way?
I may not be able to fully go through what you're struggling, Anak, but I feel your pain and frustration as your mother. But you have to remember to trust God's plan for you always. Even if it means stepping out of our own comfort zones, we have to follow Jesus and pray to always do the right thing.
Ma, you don't understand how I feel. I get left behind because I don't go to their parties or cheat on exams with them. And even if I did what is right in God's eyes, I still don't see His favor. Maybe, just maybe, everything is not about faith.
Mahirap umusad kung maraming nanghihinapawa. Hirap kang makarating sa unahan kung ang pila ay napakahaba. Hirap maglakad ng patuloy kung ang mga tao tingin sa iyo'y mababa. Sa mundong puno ng pagdududa, magpapatuloy ka pa ba? Sino nga ba ang mas masaya? Sino ang mas malaya? Ang mga taong naniniwala sa Panginoon o mga taong nag-iinom mula umaga hanggang hapon? Ano ang kaibahan ng mga taong nandadaya sa mga taong mayroong pananampalataya? Kung lahat naman sa akin ay pinapatawad ng Panginoon, kung lahat naman tayo ay pinagpapala ng Panginoon. Sawang-sawa na ako sa mga binibigay na pagsubok. Kung sumama na lang kaya ako, sumama sa mga bagay kung saan sila masaya at sumubok, baka sakaling paghihirap ko'y magkaroon na ng tulo.
I made up my mind to join my friends. The party was full of life and dancing. Not at all what I'm used to, but I have to do this if I want to fit in.
John, grabe. You finally made it, bro. After 1,000 years, GG, prediction. So what's your name?
Just one drink, guys. Nakatry naman.
Ang say flavor ng gusto mo. Look, ayun na wala ka. Kami na lang sa iyo. Just forget a little trust in God. You're finally free.
Guys, this is not right. My mother will scold me for this. I haven't even asked her permission to go here.
Ang satan. Ang kasaba, kasara na. Ang apay na sa tanunggan. Ang lunaw na pagpilipay, usahay na ni. Tanawa rin yung mga tao sa'yo. Hindi na sila.
Okay, John. You don't look so good. Are you not having fun? Oh, I knew it. We're in person to Keka from the start.
No, I need to go. I'm sorry, this isn't who I am. I shouldn't be doing this. As I stumbled onto the crosswalk, I felt dizzy and steady from the drinks I had. The world seemed to move in slow motion. With headlights growing bigger and brighter, I looked to my right and saw a car fast approaching. My legs felt like they were stuck in mud. Despite my efforts to hurry, the car reached me too fast. Before I knew it, I felt a sudden sharp pain, and then everything went black.
John, that was really powerful testimony you had today. You really touched everyone's hearts.
Thank you, Pastor Tony. I just felt like God really wanted me to share what happened and how much I've learned from all of it.
Oh, and you must be John's mom. It's such a blessing to see such a strong family support system.
Thank you, Pastor Tony. We're grateful for this church and the strength it's given John.
My mother says thank you for your support and presence, Pastor.
It's wonderful to hear that. I'm grateful for your mother as well for bringing you here to us. John, your story and experiences are powerful, and I'm confident they can help inspire guide others. I've heard you were really good at sports and graduated high school with flying colors. With your testimony, I believe God is calling you to be a part of our youth ministry team at church.
Really? I haven't been very active lately, but I do love to get involved. It's been tough dealing with everything on my own when I was in high school. This feels like a chance to find a place where I can finally make a difference and stand firm in my faith.
I'm glad to hear that. God has plans for you, John, and I think being part of our ministry would be a big part of it. Why don't I introduce you to Mary? She's been with us for a long time and has been an incredible member of our youth ministry team.
Ma, Pastor Tony is inviting me to join the youth ministry team. I'd like to join and be a volunteer here in church. I feel like this is what I'm called to be.
Go for it na!
Marie, come over here for a moment.
Hi, Pastor Tony. Hello, Mom.
Marie, this is John. John just gave his testimony today and we're hoping and inviting him to join our youth ministry team.
Hello, John. It's so nice to meet you. Your testimony is really inspiring. I'd love to chat with you about what we do in the ministry and how you can get involved.
Nice to meet you, Marie. I'm excited to hear more about it.
Great. Let's grab a coffee with the team sometime this week and I can fill you in on everything. We could really use your perspective and energy.
I'm excited for what's ahead. God has indeed great plans for you, John.
We're thankful for the support and the chance for my son to be more involved.
I'll task you to set up a time for coffee. See you soon, John.
Since then, my life has changed. I spent most of my time on 2 Fridays each month as a volunteer in a youth ministry team called Inside Out. I never ever thought I could make time for this. God has indeed used me for His greater purpose.
This is going to be impossible! Did you go good for that? Gusto ko saan mo lang burning na minute. Nakala na lang ginawa.
Mawagin, gabi nagbilara, ikigstan, itas katunga, rin itong masabtan. Gamay, rin
Chill, guys. Ako na rin bala niya ano niya.
Guys, pwede lang na mag-budget news ang niya. Pariyara good before, kabalo ng student niya. So, magplano na dapat tadaan ko sa seating arrangement.
Sige na guys, permission na tawag. Wala pa si ma'am nakaabot.
Uy, tanawa sa dyan. Relax ready na siya. Wala siya kabalo na light test karon.
Lagi ay, medyo na dyan ang aral today. Psst, John, what's your secret? Ano chill ka?
Guys, I've been studying, but I've also been praying. I'm trusting God to help me do my best, and that's giving me peace. But hey, I can help you guys review if you want. I can see you guys are really struggling.
Really? Thanks, John. We could really use the help, John. Pero magpapalagi lagi ka ron. There's nothing ka sa una.
Lagi guys, I've been through tough times during our high school, but since then, a lot has changed for me. Come, I'll teach you guys something I've learned.
You actually make this stuff seem easy. Thanks, man.
No problem, just trying to help. By the way, are you guys free on Friday night?
Pardita? Ano dyan?
No, we're having this awesome event called Unite at Church. It's a great time to hang out, hear some encouraging messages, and just be together. I think you'd really enjoy it. Wanna come?
You know what? That actually sounds pretty cool. Sige, ano?
Unsa man na guys, uy. Paso na sa akong, mauban sa akong other friends. Maaw kami sa night market.
Sige, magkagkaon per ni James, high school pa ta. Uban na lang daw si John, kay gituturan bet na niya ganyan sa math.
Sige. Free roll niya guys. Sabi ako sa inyo.
Awesome, I'm glad you guys are all coming. It's going to be great, I promise. Friends, this is a heartfelt testimony. I hope John's story has inspired you to be part of the Inside Out Youth Ministry. Together, we have the opportunity to impact the lives of other young people. And as we are reminded to do hard things for Jesus in all we do, may it also reflect in our giving. 2 Corinthians 9:7 says that people should give cheerfully and willingly, not out of our obligation or compulsion. You may now drop God's tithes and your offerings as the ushers will pass the offering line.
When the stars burn out and the strong winds come, I will lift my eyes to the rising sun. He is the Prince of Peace. He steadies my soul. I am His hands and feet. The whole world will know I'm a disciple of Christ. I will never leave Him. He is the truth and the life. He's the strength in my weakness. I will shine till the whole world sees. He's the light that will set us free. I'm a disciple of Christ. Out of all the paths that I could take, giving Him my life was the only way. He is my fire by night, the air in each breath, so I'll stand and testify again and again. I'm a disciple of Christ, and I will never leave Him. He is the truth and the life. He's the strength in my weakness. I will shine till the whole world sees. He's the light that will set us free. I'm a disciple of Christ, a disciple of Christ, a disciple of I'm a disciple of Christ. I will never leave Him. He is the truth and the life. He's the strength in my weakness.